A 2015 Jeep Cherokee, so we're gonna remove the stereo out. So this stereo gonna be replacing with the what we're gonna remove this by using a door trim remover tool, and you can have a plastic. It will come with the Android stereo that you're gonna be buying. And now you got two Phillips, 1, 2. I'm not gonna show you how to remove that, but you should know how to do that. All right, so now what you're gonna do, you're gonna pry right here. I use my pointy finger, and kind of hold it like so it's not gonna damage the rubber, the what is that, the plastic? That's not plastic, that's the leather. So right there, I'm gonna keep moving until everything kind of loose a bit. See, you don't want to damage this leather right there. So now coming down here, do the same, just around like I did, and then with both of your hands you should be able to kind of move this. See that? But you don't want to pull it too much. You can break them. See right there. I haven't done one of these for a long while, so yep. So now it come off like that, and you're gonna leave it like this. Well, actually we're going to take this off by pressing this clip and pull it out. We're going to need these stuff back, so we're going to need all of these stuff back. So now let's take the Phillips out. All for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now right here, you want to pull this clip out a little bit right there, just the top right here. You can pry it right here. Taking a flathead and pry it, and just lift it up that way. And then it should come out, and right here there's a clip. Just push or press and pull. Same thing right here. You're gonna press this. See that? It lift and pull. Got this the OEM radio right there. We're gonna take all this clip out and transfer it over here. And same as over here, you need a T15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take that. And here's a clip. You want to move it like this with your finger, and then right here, a couple of them right there, and then tilt it to the left. You should be able to get it out. And now the T15, just go and take it out one piece by at a time. Reason I'm not showing you how to do this, because this is an easy process, and that's why I'm not gonna say, oh, this is how you remove this T15. So now there's a 2 clip right there. There's 3 clip, 1, 2, 3. So just take a flathead and pry it out, and then twist it one side, and then go right here and twist it again. It should be good. Take it and put it right here. Should be snap it in. So I got it all back in right here. So now I'm going to show you how to do the clip. So basically the clip, you want to use one of your fingers this side, pry it out like this. See, tilt it up like this, and then use the flathead over here. Make sure your other finger go over here, because this thing will flew out. Flew out, fly out. Huh? Fly out. Fly out. I don't speak English very well. Hey man, our language, we don't have them tense. You know, like I ate rice, we talk I eat rice. Straight eat. No eating, whatever it is. But anyway, back to here. That's all you have to do. You're gonna take all this clip out. What I got, guys, I got all this clip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clip. And there's like a couple left right here. I'm not gonna touch that. And now let's go on. Putting this back in, you see that notch right there? Make sure that notch go in first like this. Get in that like that. And then it's gonna get in the hole right here, this hole right here. And then you coming over here, kind of make it work. Some of them are tight to fit, so make sure this is clip in right here. Two options, you got this USB right there. There's one's got a 4, one's got a 6. but they about the same, because I just noticed that the 4 and the 6, it's still 4, as you can look at it right here. See, 4. See, so basically we're gonna plug it back over here. I'm gonna leave the 6 over down here, so that way they can use it. And then I got this an extra piece that go to this right here, so just slide it in like that. Hopefully it go in right. I hope it's the same. Yep, it's the same piece. So that's work right there. Oh, you know what, that's wrong. These supposed to be plugged in like this, and then this one will go to one up here. So that's not it. I thought I had one, but it looked almost the same piece. I'm gonna look for some more, because it's probably like that. You know what, it's the same thing. I can do it like this. Yep, because that's all I got. I'm gonna plug in right here. So now you want to slide this down to the bottom. You can reach it over there, because you can literally see the lights. See, as you can see right there. Leave it like that. Customer can mess with it later. They can just put a charger or anything they want right there. And also they got a front view camera. If you want to purchase one of that, or a dash camera, and you can run a wire from there and then go straight to this Android screen, and it's gonna work the same way, and you can ask for the link. And now what you got right now is I'm gonna plug this GPS in here. Screwed it in. I'm gonna use all of these right there in case they want to hook up a make sure you not do it upside down. See right there, make sure it's going like that. I saw a few people does that. They brought it over. I was laughing because because it wasn't working. So you know, and you got to plug this in whether you have a backup cameras or not. And also there's a main plug that you got to plug right here. This plug with this box as CAN bus. So you want to plug this CAN bus right to the second one right there. And then you got those 2 USB, one of them that I got from there. You're going to plug to the 6 and the 4. And there's 6 right there, plug that. And then you got an in camera, so this is good. It's got a built-in, it's already wired up already. So I'm just plug this thing in. Come on, plug it in. And hopefully I don't have to do the steering wheel control thing. CAN 1 and CAN 2, I don't know what that is yet. We'll figure that out later once I'm done with this. Oh, all right here, they do have different plug-in. So I might have to change a CAN 1, CAN 2 to an opposite thing. So if it doesn't work one way, do it another way. See that CAN 1? And let's see if I'm gonna be able to use this one or this one. Line it and then push it down, and it's gonna click like that. See, it's not gonna move. So now I'm gonna do a testing. So I'm going for an update, and you gotta log to your Wi-Fi first.